Most people assume that creating a peaceful, stylish home requires endless square footage or a massive budget, but that's simply not true. In fact, missing a few subtle design balances is usually the real reason a space feels cluttered or cold instead of calm and inviting. Today, we're diving deep into some of the best Japandi apartment design ideas that will completely transform how your space looks and feels. Japandi isn't just a trend, it's a living philosophy that prioritizes intentionality, natural textures, and effortless functionality. Tip 1. Establish a grounded, low-profile base. One of the foundational principles of modern organic and Japanese design is staying grounded, literally. When choosing furniture for a Japandi apartment, low-profile pieces like platform beds, low-slung sofas, and floor-level accent chairs work magic. Why does this work? It all comes down to vertical scale and visual weight. Lower furniture opens up the top half of your rooms, drawing the eye upward and creating an illusion of much higher ceilings. How do you apply this? Swap out bulky, high-backed seating for a sofa with clean horizontal lines and short wood legs. A common mistake here is opting for heavy, blocky skirts on furniture, which trap light and make small spaces feel boxy. Keep the legs exposed to let air and light flow freely underneath. Tip 2. Master the art of texture layering. Since the Japandi color palette leans heavily toward understated neutrals, think warm creams, muted grays, and soft oatmeal, you need rich textures to keep the room from feeling flat or sterile. This is where texture layering becomes your best friend. By pairing smooth, raw light woods like oak or ash with tactile fabrics like boucle, washed linen, and woven rattan, you create depth without visual chaos. Try layering a chunky wool throw over a simple linen sofa, or place a woven jute rug beneath a smooth wooden coffee table. Key mistake many homeowners make is relying on bold colors or busy patterns for interest, which quickly overstimulates a minimalist home. Let texture do the heavy lifting instead. Have you ever noticed this mistake in your own decorating process? Tip 3. Prioritize negative space and visual flow. It's tempting to fill every empty corner of an apartment, but Japandi design leans heavily into the Japanese concept of the beauty of negative space. Negative space isn't wasted space, it's visual breathing room. When every object has room around it, the mind perceives the room as organized and calm. To apply this, audit your furniture arrangement. Ensure pathways around coffee tables, entryways, and doorways have at least 2 to 3 feet of clearance to allow smooth visual flow and natural movement. Don't push every piece of furniture flat against the walls either. Pulling a chair just a few inches inward actually makes a room feel larger and more dynamic. Tip 4. Choose dual-function natural materials. Functionality is the heart of Scandinavian design. In any thoughtful Japandi apartment design, every object should either serve a clear purpose or bring genuine aesthetic joy. Here's why designers love this approach. It naturally eliminates clutter before it even starts. Look for furniture crafted from authentic materials like natural stone, solid wood, and brushed metals that double as functional storage. Think of a solid oak ottoman that opens up to hold extra blankets, or floating wall shelves made of pale timber that highlight a few curated ceramics. A major pitfall is buying cheap veneer or plastic pieces that chip easily. Authentic, durable materials age gracefully, adding character to your home over time. Which idea would you try first in your own space? Tip 5. Curate a single organic focal point. When you walk into a beautifully designed Japandi living room, your eye should immediately land on one tranquil focal point. Having too many competing decorative items divides your focus and creates visual clutter. Instead of a gallery wall packed with mismatched frames, opt for one oversized minimalist art piece featuring muted earth tones or subtle textured canvas. Alternatively, let an architectural ceramic vase with a single dried botanical branch serve as your main anchor. This creates balance and sets a relaxing, deliberate tone the second you step into the room. Tip 6. Harness soft, diffused warm lighting. Lighting can completely make or break your interior design scheme, especially when transforming an apartment layout. Dark overhead recessed lights often feel harsh and clinical, destroying the cozy atmosphere you're trying to build. To fix this, embrace layered light sources. Combine warm-toned floor lamps, paper pendant lights, and dimmable table lamps equipped with soft white bulbs, around 2700 Kelvin. Paper lanterns, inspired by traditional Japanese shoji shades, filter light gently, casting a soothing glow across light wood and woven fabrics. But here's the interesting part. Varying the height of your light fixtures draws attention to different parts of the room, adding cozy warmth at every eye level. Would this warm lighting setup work in your home? Tip 7. Honor imperfection with wabi-sabi touches. A core element of the Japanese influence in Japandi style is wabi-sabi, the appreciation of beauty in imperfection and natural aging. Modern apartments can sometimes feel rigid or mass-produced. Introducing handcrafted elements breaks up those overly perfect factory lines. Look for handmade ceramic bowls, raw-edge wooden stool tops, or distressed clay planters. The mistake here is over-curating with identical factory-perfect decor items that lack soul. A single asymmetrical ceramic vase on a shelf adds an inviting human touch that feels authentic and deeply relaxing. Tip 8. Keep window treatments minimal and sheer. Natural light is essential for small space design, and maximizing daylight is a cornerstone of Northern European interiors. Heavy, dark drapes block sunlight and shrink the visual boundaries of your room. Swap heavy fabrics for sheer linen curtains or sleek bamboo roller shades. Mount your curtain rods close to the ceiling line and extend them beyond the window frame. This simple trick lets maximum light flood into your living space while making your windows and ceilings appear much larger than they actually are. Tip 9. Integrate subtle greenery for life and balance. Bringing organic life indoors softens clean architectural lines and connects your living area to nature. However, the key with Japandi plants is quality over quantity. Avoid turning your space into an overgrown jungle with dozens of tiny pots lined up everywhere. Instead, select one or two striking structured plants like a ficus umbellata, a bonsai tree, or a simple olive stem in an unglazed earthenware vase. This maintains scale and proportion while infusing natural color into a neutral palette. Creating a serene home through smart Japandi apartment design ideas doesn't mean emptying your home or sacrificing warmth. It's about choosing each element with intention, balancing function with beauty, and giving your space the freedom to breathe. By focusing on low-profile furniture, tactile material layers, soft ambient lighting, and meaningful negative space, you can cultivate a living environment that feels remarkably calm, curated, and expansive. If you found these practical design insights helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to create more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new home styling guide. I'd love to know, which Japandi tip are you going to try first in your home? Drop a comment down below and join the conversation. And if you're ready for more interior inspiration, click on the next video appearing right on your screen now. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!